I've been travelling around London quite a lot recently. F off. Hey guys, welcome to Al-Fresco, Twisted's brand new outdoors cooking show. So today I'm going to be cooking with Tom Jackson, who is the star of Shelf Life, Alphabetti, co-author of the Twisted cookbook and all-round fan of the beach. Let's get him out.
All right, mate.
How's it going?
Good.
So Tom, what are we going to make for the beach today?
We're going to be making a stuffed grilled mortadella grinder sandwich.
Woo!
It's a bit of a merge of two TikTok trends that are clashing together at the moment. One is trypophobia.
Fear of tiny holes.
Fear of small holes. The other one is a Italian-American style deli cuts sandwich. If you wanted to, do some al fresco barbecuing on the beach, I think you could do this. And I recommend it highly.
Fabulous.
So I've asked my deli man to slice the mortadella relatively thickly, and okay, I can't open that. Ah!
Oh my god, he's done it.
But yeah, provolone's like nice and sharp, it's nutty, it's a good melter, and that's kind of what we want. If you roll that into a little tube, and then start again like a burrito, that's what we're going for.
All right, nice.
And the cool thing about this cage is that it pinches it here, makes all these like weird little flutes.
Looks like a kind of meaty tennis racket.
Cool, and then next up we will do some other prep.
Sunny.
So now we're going to make I'm calling it vinaigrette because it's a vinaigrette that you put specifically on the bread, and you're going to be slicing some tomatoes for me, please.
Cool, all right, let's do it.
So I'm going with garlic, lemon, bit of white wine vinegar, bit of olive oil, and so I'm usually a bit funny about dried herbs.
You famously hate them, don't you?
I do really hate them. There is something really special about Italian seasoning.
Yeah.
So when I was a kid, I used to have my mate's brother used to make me toast with butter and Italian seasoning. Yeah. And that was it. And it was so good. Wow, that's trypophobic.
The whole thing's trypophobic, look at this.
It is a bit.
So these, just on here, bit of salt.
Yeah, each one gets its own little seasoning.
Really beautiful, aren't they?
So we just make a tomato sandwich instead.
Yes, this is my mum's salad dressing technique as well.
Mum classic, isn't it?
Yes.
Cool.
All right, so the sun is shining. I'm gonna go and get some beers. We've collaborated with Brewgooder to make our very own delicious Twisted IPA. Head down to your local co-op, grab a 4-pack, and an item will get donated to a food bank. We love it. Let's go and see what people think. When you go to the beach, what do you eat?
It'd be things like sort of cheese and biscuits.
I think when I was small I was offered £0.50 to eat a whelk, but I just couldn't get through it.
Have you ever eaten eels?
No. No. I found a few down here before.
Really?
Yeah, dead ones.
Oh god.
Yeah.
I was having an apple with my mum. I put it down for a sec and swooped it up. A whole apple.
A whole apple?
Yeah, whole apple.
How did it fit
Not
in
even
its
joking,
beak?
it's a whole apple.
How did it fit in its beak?
I don't know, I was like 3 years old, I was just bewildered, I was crying, it was I loved apples.
Your son swims in this part of the river?
Yeah, he does, yeah.
Is he fine? Is he okay? You're trying to impress the father-in-law and the mother-in-law.
Yeah, I'm going to swim across the Thames in a minute. But just strip off, display my kind of raw masculinity.
Stunning. This guy over there is telling us his son swims in the Thames.
I mean, fair play to him, I ain't got the minerals for that.
Those pigeons are surfing. Welcome to Costa del Rotherhithe. That has been the general public. This has been me. And now, back to the studio.
Cheers.
Yum.
Oh, it's good.
It's really nice.
It's good.
What's next?
So I have a massive mandolin with me. We're going to be using this ridiculous tool to make our grinder salad. What we're not going to do is going to put the lettuce in straight away because then it'll go all nasty. Yeah. And remember, we're at the beach and it's hot. But you can make the base and leave that to macerate a little bit. Cool. So I'm going to do some onion. Quite a lot of mayonnaise in there. Italian seasoning. You can use quite a lot. Loads of pepper, so you can actually taste it.
Keep going.
Some vinegar. I've also got some hot sauce I'm going to put in. It's actually called cold sauce, and this is their smoked one. I'm going to put some cheese in. It sounds a bit weird, but
Like, cheese is nice.
It just makes it taste really slutty. Oh. And in here, I've made some pickled peppers. Grilled them quickly on the barbecue, just to wilt them a tiny bit.
Nice.
Otherwise, they'd be a bit too snappy. And then that is the big, messy mess. Do you want to taste them? No.
Yes, please. It's good. It's really nice.
Oh, it's hard. So let me tell you about my buns. They're just like mass-produced sourdough rolls. They like kind of mimic that kind of like sub or grinder kind of feel, especially when they're grilled. They get really crispy. We're gonna brush them with some mayonnaise. Yeah. You know, like mayo's like one of those like secret techniques that you use instead of oil on a grilled cheese.
I know.
Same applies. Just get loads on there.
Do you want me to put it on the grill?
That can go on the grill.
Getting it nice and toasty. Look at that, sizzle.
Bread's looking good. We're gonna do the others.
Yes.
Yeah, then we can build. We can just grill the mortadella, dress the rocket. Got our lovely tomatoes, got our grinder salad.
Yeah.
Got extra peppers.
Yeah.
Can't complain.
Sandwich them together.
Can't complain.
Squash him in the bun. Nice.
That is my stuffed grilled mortadella grinder sandwich.
I've never seen anything more glorious and delicious in my whole life.
It does look good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks amazing. Shall we give it a try?
Yeah.
Yum. There's so many textures and flavours that are all harmonious and wonderful and nice. Oh, it's really good.
You don't have to stuff and grill the ham. You could just make it with cold cuts and it'd be like equally as good. But if you're drinking beers and having a barbecue, on or off the beach, then it equals good times.
It really does equal good times. This is really delicious. I'm very hungry and this is fantastic. God, so nice. Well, I'll see you at the beach. Dans la plage.
See you there, man.
Nice.
A bit.
Don't forget, guys, we're doing this to promote our delicious beer that we've made with Brewgooder. Every 4-pack you buy in the co-op, an item gets donated to a food bank. We love it. Cheers. Cool. Yeah. Thanks, Crumpet.
Thanks, Grump. Okay, 30 seconds of awkwardness, starting now.
Last summer we was on the Thames front quite a lot, and it was most likely trying to eat a bit of a nappy.
We've all been there. Shit, my shoes! No, no. And,
I quite like seagulls. They're bonkers and mad like we are. They're all right.
What do you mean?